A very common question that we've been asked is ACCA the CA of UK or is ICAEW the CA of UK? Now, please understand, ACCA is global CA with its headquarters in UK. ACCA does have signing authority in UK, which essentially makes it the CA of UK. But ICAEW, the Institute of Chartered Accountants of England and Wales, is the real CA of UK. They also have signing authority, but they have signing authority only in England and Wales, whereas ACCA is global. It has signing authority in various countries. So when people say the CA of UK, they generally mean ICAEW, and when they say global CA, they mean ACCA. Huge confusion which we want to clear right off the bat. An interesting fact about ICAEW, again, which people don't know, is that the suffix, so if you're a chartered accountant, you'll call yourself CA, whatever your name is, right? Or if you're an ACCA, you'll have your name, comma, ACCA. With ICAEW, the designation, the suffix which you add to your name is ACA. That's what defines you as a UK CA or an ICAEW member. Also, it's such a popular course across the world. There are 185,000 members across the world, and 16% of members are actually outside of UK, and 28% of students actually study outside of UK. So in this video, we are going to give you specifically the questions that are asked to us all the time about eligibility for CAs and ACCAs who want to apply for ICAEW and the fee structure. Wait guys, hold on. As per our statistics, almost 92% of you guys do not subscribe to our channel. So what are we doing? Hold on, subscribe first and then continue the video. So before I get into the eligibility, quick thing. The ICAEW exams are given every July and November. And besides the exams, there are 15 exams in all. To give all 15, you have to go to the UK. And after the 15 exams, you need 3 years of work experience to gain the ICAEW membership. Now, most of this video is going to be describing how to get the ICAEW degree qualification if you are either a chartered accountant or an ACCA member or an ACCA affiliate. What is the eligibility criteria for CAs or ACCA members? So, out of 15 exams, you are exempted from 12. You only have to appear for these 3 exams. On top of that, if you are a fellow CA or a fellow ACCA, which means you have 5 years of experience post-qualification, then you are even exempted from these 3 exams. You can just directly apply for ICAEW. It's that easy. Now, another question which again a lot of students ask are, how do you apply if you're an ACCA affiliate? So let me explain that part. ACCA affiliates also get 12 out of 15 exemptions, so you have to only appear for 3. But there are 2 additional points. Point number 1. If as an affiliate, you have worked in something known as an ICAEW approved training employer, which essentially are companies such as the Big Four. If you worked in one of those, then you can claim credit of up to 1 year out of the 3-year work experience. So what that means is, if you worked for 2 years in PwC and you're an ACCA affiliate and you applied for ICAEW, you can claim 1 year of this PwC experience in your ICAEW experience, and then you'll have to still work for 2 years to complete their work ex. And the second point is, if you register with ICAEW and then apply for something known as CPL, as an ACCA affiliate, those 12 exemption fees for you are waived off. That's a huge advantage for those who are ACCA affiliates. Before I get into the fee structure, guys, please do subscribe to this channel if you like these kind of videos where we talk about different courses to help you make a career decision. And if there are some additional videos you'd like us to make, like for example, ICAI is courtesy of a lot of people who've commented to create this video. Similarly, let us know if you need us to create another video. Coming back to the fee structure of ICAEW. So the total fee structure, if you're a chartered accountant or an ACCA member, will be approximately 2 lakh rupees. And this includes everything, the registration fees, the exam fees, the exemption fees, as well as the subscription fees. However, if you are an ACCA affiliate, and like I had mentioned earlier, you've registered and then applied for CPL that helps you waive off your exemption fees, then as an ACCA affiliate, your 2 lakh will go close to 1 lakh. You literally cut the ICAEW fees in half because of this tie-up between ICAEW and ACCA. So for an ACCA affiliate, you can complete entirety of ICAEW in just 1 lakh rupees total. So that's simple. That's the fee structure. Of course, it can change a little bit because of the conversion rate, but that's about it, guys. These are the general questions that we are asked about. How are you eligible? What happens if you're a CA, an ACCA, an affiliate, as well as the fee structure. If we've missed anything, please do let us know in the comments. We'll definitely respond to you.